So today's topic is median. So in for median we have how many types of data? Quantitative data. Three types. First is individual, second is discrete, and third is continuous. Okay, so in individual data we have only X, just like these two data sets. Done? Okay. Now in second, discrete data, this is with X and F, and third data is what? Continuous data. Continuous data means interval and frequency. Okay. So we have these two data sets for individual type, that is only X. Clear? Okay. So the difference between these two data sets is in first data set you have 5 terms and in second data sets you have 6 terms. Clear? So 5 terms in this, 6 terms in this. That's why this data is considered as odd data. This is odd data. Clear? Because we have odd number of terms. So this is considered as what? Odd data. And in this data we have 6 terms. So this is considered as what? Even data set. Is it clear? So this is which type of data? This is even data. First thing. So first is what? Identification of data type. Clear? Second task always arrangement of data. Arrangement of data in ascending order or descending order. Okay. So ascending order means increasing order. So mostly we will arrange data in ascending order, in increasing order. Clear? So ascending order means conversion of both the data in ascending form. So we are converting this data and this data in ascending form. So first task is arrangement of data in ascending form. Okay, so first data, odd data arrangement. Odd data arrangement. First value is what? 3. Second is what? 5. Next is 6. Next is 8. And next is 9. And for this, first is 3, 5, 6, 8, 9, and 10. Clear? So this is what? Arrangement of data. Now as per definition of median. Median is what? Median is midpoint of data, middle part of the data, center of the data. Clear? Because this is central tendency, so we can say median is center of data also. Clear? But exactly this is middle value of data, middle location of it. Done? Okay, so in this first arrangement, middle location is what? 6. So we can say directly this is median. This 6 is what? Median. This is as per concept. Now how will you write formula? So to write formula, how many terms are there? There are 5 terms. So in this case we have 5 terms, n equals to 5. Clear? And your answer is what? Your answer is what? Third term. Answer is 6, but this location is what? Third term. So third term is your answer. That means your median is what? Third location. Okay? There are 5 terms and your answer is third term. So from these 5 terms, how you will get third term? Exactly. 5 plus 1 divided by 2. Then you will get what? Third 3. Clear? So formula of median. Formula of median is what? This is 5. If we add 1 in this 5 and divide this by 2, then this is considered as what? Third term. Clear? Now this is third term and third term location is what? 6. This is your answer. Is it clear? So if you have n terms, then what's the formula? If there are n terms, then formula will be what? Yes, formula is median equals to n plus 1 upon 2n. This is the formula for median in case of which type of data? In case of odd data set. Is it clear? Anyone? Any doubt? Confusion? Okay, fine. Now, next, even data set. In even data sets, first task arrangement. And as per definition of median, what is median? Median is center location of data. Okay, so in this arrangement, which one is center location of data? There are two numbers, 6 and 8. So we can't say median is 6 or 8. So median is lies between 6 and 8. Clear? So this means average of this 6 and 8. Average of this 6 and 8, that is what? 7. This is considered as what? Median. This is median. Clear? Now concept. So in this case, we have how many terms? 6 terms. Clear? And your answer is which term? Your answer is median is what? Median is average of which term? This is third term. And this is what? Fourth term. So this is the average of third term and fourth term. So we will write third plus fourth divided by 2. Clear? Okay. So with respect to this 6, how you will get this 3? 6 से 3 कैसे बनेगा? 6 divided by 2. Okay. So you can write this as median equals to 6 upon 2th. That is what? Third. And now from third to fourth, how you will get this fourth? From third to fourth, n plus 1. That is 3 plus 1. Clear? So you will write this 6 upon 2th plus 1th term. Clear? So this 6 upon 2 is what? Third. 3 plus 1 is fourth. And then we will take its average. Clear hai? Kisi koi doubt, confusion? So we will take now its average. Done? Okay. So if the formula is for n terms, for n terms, what we will write? If there are n terms, then formula for n terms, this is 6. 6 replaced by n upon 2. And this is what? N upon 2 plus 1th and divided by 2. So this is the formula for median in case of individual data for even data. Done? Any doubt? Confusion? So we have two formulae. First is this one, second is this one. This is for odd data. This is for odd data, and this formula is for even type of data. Done? Concept is clear? Anyone? Any doubt? Confusion? Please ask. No? Okay, fine. So this is what? Individual data. So second data type is what? Discrete. So discrete data means with X and F, vector and frequency. So we will arrange this data first. So arrangement of this data. So this is X, this is F. So first task is arrangement of data. So for arrangement, we will arrange data as per X or as per F or for both. As per X only. This data means suppose 9 is age and how many people? 2 people. 5 is age, how many people? 6 people. So we will arrange only X. Clear? If we will arrange this F, then data will be changed. क्योंकि frequency सबकी क्या हो जाएगी? Change हो जाएगी. हमें frequency change नहीं करनी, हमें केवल order fix करना. Done? Okay. So first least number is what? 3. Second is what? 5. Next 6. Next 8. Next 9 and then 10. Okay, and their respective frequencies are for 3, 5, for 5 this is 6, for 6 this is 11, for 8 this is 4, and for 9 this is 2, and for 10 this is 3. Clear? So this is what? Arrangement. Now second task is, this data is with frequency. So we will find cumulative frequency now, CF. Next task is what? CF, cumulative frequency. Okay, so we will add one more column for cumulative frequency. This is cumulative frequency CF. So this is 5. 5 plus 6, 11. 11 plus 11 is 22. 26, 28, and this is what? 31. Clear? Any doubt? Confusion? Okay. So before studying this formula, we will see one more thing. So in this, for this first X is equal to 3. Frequency is 5. Clear? Frequency is 5. This means for this class, we have first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term. Clear? So this data is for up to fifth term. Total terms are fifth. Clear? Okay. Now we are adding this 6. 5 plus 6 means this, for this 6 we will start this category from 6th to 11th. This is 6 to 11th. Clear? And in next category it starts from 12th and goes to 22nd, and next is from 23rd and 23rd to 26th, and this starts from 27th and frequency is 2, so that's why 27th and 28th, and next is what? 29th to 31st. Is it clear? So this is the distribution. Any doubt? Confusion? Okay. So now after finding this CF column, we will find this last value as capital N. This is also known as summation F sometimes. इसको आप summation F भी लिख सकते हो, और this is capital N. ठीक है? Sum of frequency. Done? Okay, now formula. Formula for median in case of discrete data. Median equals to n plus 1 upon 2n. N plus 1 upon 2n. So first task is what? Arrangement of data in ascending order. Second task is cumulative frequency, and next task is N. No need to write this. This is only for explanation. Done? Okay. So for this data, calculation of median. So in this case, N is what? 31 plus 1 divided by 2. So this is equals to how much? 32 upon 2. 16th. So this is 16th term. Okay, so for this data set, what is 16th term? 16th term कहाँ lie करेगी? देखो, first group is for 1st to 5th. This is from 6 to 11. This starts from 12 and goes up to 22nd. So obviously this 16th term lies in this category. Clear? And for this 16th term, the value of x is what? For this 16th term, the value of x is what? 6. So this is considered as what? Median. Clear? So for this data set, 6 is median. Is it clear? Done? So first task is arrangement, second is cumulative frequency, then we will find n. And for discrete data, only formula, that is n plus 1 upon 2th. N is what? 31. So we will put 31, 31 plus 2, that is 32 upon 2, that is 16th. And we will search this 16th location in this. So for the 16th location, this is what? 6. So 6 is what? Median. Clear? Now there is one more case, a special case. So we are creating one more case. Okay, so this is your data. In this data, suppose this frequency 13 is not 13. This is suppose 16. We are taking this frequency as 16. Now the sum is 28 plus 16 is 44. Yes, so summation is 44. So this summation last value is 44. Clear? Now your formula is median equals to n plus 1 upon 2th term. Okay, so for this data set, median equals to 44 plus 1 upon 2th term. Okay, so this is how much? This is how much? 45 upon 2th. So for this 45 upon 2th, this is 22.5th term. Clear? Okay. So what's the location of this 22.5th term? This is up to 22nd and this starts from 23rd. So there is no space for 22.5. So we will create a space for 22.5. कैसे create करना है? So this 22.5 lies between this 22nd and this 23rd. This means within this location 6 और 8 के बीच में lie करेगा ना? For this 22, this is 6. For this 23rd, this is 8. So 6 और 8 के बीच में lie करेगा. Now how you will identify? So for this we have one methodology. So we will write this 20.5th as, देखो 22nd तो complete है और 23rd का half part आ रहा है एक तरीके से, जो 23rd को complete करने के लिए half और चाहिए ना, तो यानी 23rd का कितना आ रहा है, half part आ रहा है. So we will write this as 22nd complete, this is 22nd term plus 0.5 of difference of 23rd and 22nd, बीच का part, 0.5 of 22nd and 23rd. So we will take their difference. So 23rd term minus 22nd. Listen once again. This is 22nd.5, and this is not in this group and not in this group. This is between this and this group. Clear? So to find this, we will write complete 22nd term and difference of 22nd and third with respect to multiplication of 0.5. Half. Done? So 22nd term, for 22nd term value is 6. So for 22nd term value is 6, and then we are writing 0.5 of 23rd location is 8. So we will write 8 here minus 22nd. So this is equals to 6 plus 0.5 of what? 2. So this is 6 plus 1. So your answer is 7. Logic is clear? Okay. Suppose this is not 22.5. Suppose this is 18.5. Then what you will do? In this case, this is 22.5. Suppose this is 18.5. Then your answer will be what? You will not split this 18.5. Why? Because this is an exact interval of 12 to 20 सेकेंड. ये 18.5 आपका यहाँ नहीं करेगा, इसलिए इस 18.5 को हमें स्प्लिट करने की रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है. ठीक है. एग्जाम्स में मुझसे बहुत मिस्टेक होती है कि अब जैसा हम इसको ट्रीट कर रहे हैं वैसे हम उसको भी ट्रीट कर देते हैं, बट बोथ आर डिफरेंट. दिस इज सिचुएशनल. क्लियर? सो यू नीड टू स्टडी दिस स्पेशल केस. यही एग्जाम में हम लोग सबसे ज्यादा फंसते हैं. सो दिस इज द स्पेशल केस. Is it clear? Anyone? Any doubt, please? Any confusion? If you have any confusion, you can ask. You are free to ask, please. Clear? So, in individual data, two forms, odd and even. In discrete, only one formula. Now we are studying what? We are studying which one? Continuous data. Continuous data is very interesting. So first task are always what? Arrangement of data. So this data is already arranged because of interval 0 to 10, 10 to 20 and so on. Clear? So no need to arrange this data. Okay. So now next task is what? Next task, what you will do? Follow? Cumulative frequency. Exactly. Okay. So cumulative frequency. First cumulative frequency is what? First cumulative frequency. So first cumulative frequency is 2. So this is 2, next is 8, and then 13, next is 24, next is 28, and after that this is 30. Clear? And this last value always considered as capital M. Clear? Okay. Now we will see formula. Not required. In this case, midpoint is not required. Midpoint is required only for mean and standard deviation, not for this locational mean. So, formula for median. Listen carefully. So, median equals to L plus N upon 2 minus PCF upon F into I. This is the formula for median in continuous data. Okay, so your solution start with this term n upon 2. Your solution start with this term n upon 2. Okay, so n is part of which column? N is part of which column? Capital N, CF column. So n upon 2 also part of CF column. Clear? Okay. So n upon 2. So n upon 2 is how much? 31 upon 2, that is 15.5. Clear? Okay. So as n is part of this CF column, so n upon 2 also part of this CF column. So where is 15.5 in this column? In 24, because 13 is lesser than 15.5 and this is greater. So if you have 13 rupees, you can't spend 15.5. If you have 24 rupees, then you can spend 15.5. So we will consider next one. Clear? So this is what this is considered as median class. As we are finding median, so this is considered as what? Median class. Clear? So for this median class, now we will find all the other things. So this is what L. L is the lower limit of median class. This is what L. So L is called lower limit. L is lower limit of median class. So L is lower limit of median class. Okay, so now next term. So this L is clear. Now next is what? PCF. CF is what? Cumulative frequency. PCF is pre-cumulative frequency. Clear? So PCF is what? PCF is pre-cumulative frequency. PCF stands for pre-cumulative frequency of what? Of median class. So pre-cumulative frequency of median class. So this is your median class. For this median class, this is previous frequency. This previous frequency is what? 13. Clear? So this 13 is considered as PCF. So this is PCF. Done? Okay. Now in formula, next term. Next term is F. F is what? Frequency of median class. Okay, so what is frequency of median class? So this is the frequency of median class, F. Clear? Now this is what I. So I is class interval of median class. This gap is considered as what? I. I is equal to 10. So I is Ci of median class. So this is Ci. Done? Okay. So all these values are, first is how much? 30. PCF is what? 13. F is what? 11. And I is what? 10. Now we will put all these values in this formula. So L equals to 30 plus n upon 2 is 15.5. So this is 15.5. PCF is what? 13 and divided by F. F is how much? 11, and this multiplied by 10 interval. Clear? So your answer is what? 15.5 minus 13 is 2.5. 2.5 into 10 is 25. 25 upon 11 plus 30. Please calculate. This 30 is 25 upon 11. So answer is 32.27. So answer is 32.27. This is the required median. Is it clear? Anyone Any doubt? Any confusion? Okay, so first task in continuous data is what? First task is CF. Clear? So this is CF column. Then we will find capital N, and after that we will find formula. In formula, you will start this question with n upon 2. N upon 2 is 31 upon 2, that is 15.5. As n is part of this CF column, so this n upon 2 is also part of CF column. So we will search this n upon 2 in CF column. This is what? 15.5. This is lesser than 24. So that's why this class is considered as what? Median class. And in this median class, this first value L, lower limit of the interval 30, and next is PCF. PCF stands for pre-cumulative frequency of median class. So this is your median class, and this is previous cumulative frequency 13. And next is what? F. F is frequency of median class. That's why this is 11, and I is interval. And then we will put into form. Clear? So this is the whole concept of median. Done? Clear?